In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur video in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to add a simple blur effect to your footage, DaVinci Resolve makes it very quick and easy. This is useful if you want to soften part of a shot, hide visual details, or just create a more stylized look in your edit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic method using one of DaVinci Resolve's built-in effects. To begin, go to the top left area of the interface and open the Effects section. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps many of the visual tools and effect options you can apply to your clips. Once you click into Effects, you'll be able to browse through different categories. From there, look through the Effects section and search for Gaussian blur. This effect is usually located under the Resolve FX category, so if you don't see it right away, the search bar can help you find it faster. Gaussian blur is a common blur effect that creates a smooth, natural-looking softening across the image, which makes it a great choice for general use. After you find Gaussian blur, click on it and drag it directly onto the video clip you want to blur. Drop it onto the clip in your timeline and the blur effect will immediately be applied. That's the core process, and in many cases that's all you need to do to get a blurred look on your footage. If you don't notice a strong change right away, make sure you've dropped the effect onto the correct clip in the timeline. It also helps to have the clip selected so you can clearly see the result in the preview viewer. Depending on your footage, blur can appear subtle at first, especially if the default setting is light. This method is ideal when you need a fast and straightforward way to blur a video without using more advanced tools. Since Gaussian blur is built into DaVinci Resolve, it's a reliable option for quick edits and beginner-friendly workflows. So again, the process is simple. Open Effects in the top left, search for Gaussian blur under Resolve FX, then drag and drop it onto your video clip. Once it's applied, your video will have that blurred effect. That's fine, and that's how to blur video in DaVinci Resolve.